Hello everyone, Ingrid Antoine reporting for Bulletin Express. Word is out that Nadine Boucard, actress of Se Lavi, has just tied the knot with her longtime boyfriend, Todd Dempsey. Todd Dempsey, you ask? Not quite as famous as his new wife, but that didn't stop her from falling head over heels. The ceremony was beautiful and the reception was held at the private golf club in Delray Beach, Florida, where SeLavi.com had the exclusive.
And that's my dress. Thank you, Se Lavi, for attending my wedding. It was beautiful. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys had a lot of good time. And this is the ring, so hope to see you soon.
Well, congratulations, Nadine, and best of luck with your new husband. For more information on our superstars, please keep it locked on SeLavi.com. I'm Ingrid for Bulletin Express.